Today, we are diving into an important topic for anyone who cares about browsing privacy and ad blocking on Chrome. Why was Ublock Origin removed from the Chrome Web Store? By the end of this video, you'll understand the real story behind its disappearance, what changed with Google's extension platform, and why it impacts millions of users. Let's get started. You may have noticed that Ublock Origin, one of the most trusted ad blockers, is no longer available to install from the Chrome Web Store. The reason for this actually comes down to a major technical change imposed by Google, called Manifest v3. This isn't just a small tweak, it's a whole new standard for how browser extensions are allowed to work. Chrome extensions used to be built on something called Manifest v2. This standard gave developers a lot of flexibility, especially for powerful tools like Ublock Origin that needed to filter ads and trackers across the web. But Google decided to deprecate, or retire, Manifest v2 and eventually disable all extensions running on it. The final phase-out is set for 2025, but the effects are already being felt. v2 extensions, including the original Ublock Origin for Chrome, are being disabled and removed. So why did Google push for Manifest v3? According to Google, Manifest v3 is supposed to offer improved security, better performance, and tighter privacy controls for users. That sounds great on the surface, and some of these goals are genuinely important. For example, by restricting how much access an extension has to your browsing data or network requests, Chrome can keep malicious extensions in check and make the browser run more smoothly. But here's where it gets tricky. Manifest v3 also changes how extensions can interact with your web traffic, and this change comes with major drawbacks for ad blockers. The heart of the problem lies in something called the Web Request API. Under Manifest v2, ad blockers like Ublock Origin could use this API to examine, filter, and block any network requests in real time. Kind of like having a really smart bouncer at the door to your browser, throwing out unwanted ads and trackers before they even show up. With Manifest v3, Google has drastically restricted what's possible with the Web Request API. Extensions aren't allowed to intercept and block traffic in the same powerful way anymore. Instead, they have to work within a much narrower set of rules. For instance, ad blockers are now limited in the number of filtering rules they can apply, which means they might miss ads or trackers that used to be stopped cold. If you're a power user who likes to write your own custom filters to get rid of particularly pesky ads or for extra privacy, you'll find that much of that flexibility is gone. The impact is pretty significant. For many users, Ublock Origin wasn't just about blocking ads. It was about controlling what loaded on their page, stopping malware, speeding up browsing, and protecting privacy. By losing the ability to operate at full strength, both regular users and tech-savvy folks lose out. It's a bit like training world-class goalies to play soccer with their hands tied. Suddenly, a lot more gets through. So, if you've been searching for Ublock Origin in the Chrome Web Store and come up empty, now you know it's not gone by accident. The rules have changed, and the developer can't offer the same protection within Chrome's new limits. If you need Ublock Origin's full features, you might want to explore browsers that still support Manifest v2, like Firefox or Brave. I hope this clears up why Ublock Origin was removed from the Chrome Web Store and gives you some insight into how browser extension standards can really affect your online experience. If you found this useful, be sure to hit that like button, leave any questions or thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.